Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete unwanted files from your PC to free up storage space and improve system performance, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your Windows PC by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. Step 2. Navigate to the folders where unwanted files are typically stored, such as downloads, documents, or desktop. Step 3. Review the files and folders in these locations and identify the ones you no longer need. Step 4. Select the files you want to delete by clicking on them. Hold Control and click to select multiple files. Step 5. Press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and select Delete to move the files to the recycle bin. Step 6. To permanently delete files and free up space immediately, hold Shift and press Delete, then confirm the permanent deletion. Step 7. Use Disk Cleanup to remove temporary files by searching for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and selecting the drive you want to clean. Step 8. Check the boxes for file types you want to delete, such as temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails. Then click OK and delete files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.